Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Harley Davidson Cruiser. Harley Davidson has unveiled its highly anticipated 2025 Cruiser, marking a significant leap forward in the iconic brand's cruiser motorcycle lineup. Designed to embody the essence of freedom, power, and unmistakable Harley Davidson style, the 2025 Cruiser promises to set new standards in performance, comfort, and innovation. Central to the Harley Davidson 2025 Cruiser is a potent Milwaukee 8 engine, specially tuned to deliver robust torque and smooth power delivery across various riding conditions. With a displacement tailored for optimal performance, the engine ensures exhilarating acceleration and a commanding presence on both highways and city streets. Riders can expect a thrilling experience that reflects Harley Davidson's legacy of performance and reliability. The 2025 Cruiser represents Harley Davidson's commitment to pushing the boundaries of design and performance in the cruiser segment, said Johann Zeitz, Chairman, President, and CEO of Harley Davidson. With its distinctive design, advanced features, and powerful engine, the Cruiser embodies the spirit of freedom and adventure that defines Harley Davidson motorcycles. Visually striking, the Harley Davidson 2025 Cruiser features a timeless design that blends classic cruiser aesthetics with modern enhancements. The bike is characterized by its muscular stance, premium finishes, and iconic Harley Davidson styling cues that resonate with riders seeking both heritage and innovation. Rider comfort is paramount with a spacious seat, ergonomic handlebars, and advanced suspension that ensures a smooth and controlled ride over long distances. Innovation and technology are seamlessly integrated into the 2025 Cruiser, featuring Harley Davidson's latest advancements in rider aids and connectivity. The bike is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that offers navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free communication and music streaming, and a customizable touchscreen display for intuitive control. Additional features include electronic cruise control, traction control, and optional reflex defensive rider systems, RDRS, for enhanced safety and confidence. Industry experts have praised Harley Davidson's approach with the 2025 Cruiser, recognizing its potential to appeal to riders seeking a blend of performance, comfort, and iconic Harley Davidson heritage in a cruiser motorcycle. The 2025 Cruiser represents a bold evolution of Harley Davidson's cruiser lineup, combining timeless design with modern technology, remarked motorcycle journalist Emily Davis. Its powerful engine, luxurious amenities, and advanced features make it a standout choice for riders looking to make a statement on the road. Enthusiasts around the globe eagerly await the availability of the Harley Davidson 2025 Cruiser at dealerships, anticipating the opportunity to experience firsthand its exceptional performance, comfort, and unmistakable Harley Davidson charisma. With its blend of heritage-inspired aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and legendary craftsmanship, the Cruiser reaffirms Harley Davidson's position as a leader in delivering extraordinary cruiser motorcycles that embody the spirit of freedom and adventure.